You work so hard every day, yet money always seems to slip through your fingers, bills pile up, savings barely grow, and it feels like no matter how much effort you put in, you're still stuck. It's exhausting, and you're not alone. We've been told the formula for success is simple: go to school, work hard, save every penny, and buy a house. But reality doesn't look like the brochure. Prices rise, debts grow, and the dream feels more like a trap. Society sold us the American dream, but skipped the fine print: student loans, paycheck-to-paycheck living, and rising costs make it nearly impossible to keep up. It's not laziness, it's a broken system. What if the real reason you feel stuck isn't because you're not trying hard enough? What if it's because toxic money beliefs were planted in your head long ago? Beliefs that quietly drain your wealth without you noticing. Imagine following all the rules: saving, studying, working, but still ending up broke and stressed. That frustration eats away at your confidence, making you doubt yourself. It's like running a race where the finish line keeps moving further away. If you don't confront these toxic beliefs, you'll keep trading hours of your life for money and never see your wealth glow up. But the moment you challenge them, you open the door to real freedom. This isn't about working harder, it's about thinking differently. What if I told you your bank account is being held hostage not by the government, not by the economy, but by beliefs living in your own head? Hi, I'm Sophia, and welcome to the Sophia Cash Channel, helping you glow up financially. If you're serious about breaking free from financial struggle and stepping into your wealth glow up, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. This video is for education and inspiration only, not financial advice. Today, we're diving into 7 toxic beliefs that kill your wealth glow up and, more importantly, how to rewire them into wealth-building mindsets. So grab a notebook because we're going deep. Many of us have heard the phrase, money is the root of all evil. It sounds wise, but it secretly makes us push wealth away without even knowing it. This belief keeps people stuck, thinking that being rich means being bad. The truth is, money itself isn't evil. It's just a tool. Like fire, it can burn you, or it can keep you warm. What matters is how we choose to use it. Did you know that money is the #1 source of stress for Americans? People fight about it, lose sleep over it, and even let it break families apart. But let's flip the script. Money can actually give you freedom. It allows you to choose where you live, how you spend your time, and how safe your family feels. Sadly, many people sabotage themselves because deep down, they think wanting money makes them greedy. They accept low salaries or avoid investing, keeping themselves small. Here's the shift: money magnifies who you already are. If you're kind and generous now, wealth will make you even more generous. Money doesn't change you, it amplifies you. A lot of us grew up believing that if we just work harder, we'll eventually become wealthy. But look around, some of the hardest working people, like teachers, nurses, and blue-collar workers, are still struggling financially. Hard work alone doesn't guarantee freedom. In fact, over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Even though most of them are working full-time, that means no matter how hard they hustle, they're always just one emergency away from falling behind. Wealth doesn't come from endless hours of grinding. It comes from smart strategies, knowing how to make your money grow, instead of just trading your time for it. The wealthy understand leverage. They use investments, systems, and high-value skills to multiply their results. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. The danger of the just work harder mindset is burnout. People push themselves to exhaustion, sacrificing health and family, only to feel stuck in the same place. The truth is, wealth comes when you learn to create income streams beyond your wages. That's how you free yourself from endless hustle and finally step into financial freedom. So many people are told that all debt is dangerous, like a monster waiting to swallow them whole. But the truth is, not every debt is created equal. Some debts can actually open doors instead of closing them. The average American household holds over $100,000 in debt. But the real story is in the details. There's a huge difference between swiping credit cards for shopping versus investing in something that grows your future. When used wisely, debt can become a powerful tool. It's like borrowing strength today to build something greater tomorrow. Like buying a home or investing in education that pays off for years to come. But when debt is misused, like endless credit card splurges or loans for things that don't grow in value, it becomes toxic. It doesn't just slow you down, it chains you in place. Fear of all debt keeps people stuck. They avoid opportunities like buying a home, starting a business, or investing in themselves because they're too afraid of the word debt. The key is knowing the difference between bad debt that drains your energy and leverage debt that builds your future. Once you see this clearly, debt transforms from an enemy into a powerful ally. A lot of people think investing is too risky, but the truth is, avoiding investing is even riskier. Because when you let fear stop you, your money slowly loses value every single day. Think about it, inflation eats away at your savings. If your account only pays 0.5%, but prices rise by 3 to 7%, you are guaranteed to lose money. Imagine instead, your money working for you while you sleep. That's the magic of investing, turning time and patience into growth. The real risk isn't investing, it's standing still. When you avoid the market, you're locking in guaranteed loss instead of giving your money a chance to grow. Many believe investing is only for the rich or for Wall Street insiders. But that's a myth. Ordinary people build wealth by starting small and staying consistent. So don't let fear hold you back. Start small, keep it simple, and let knowledge guide you. Over time, your courage will turn into confidence. So many of us believe we'll finally be happy once we earn more money. We tell ourselves that the next raise, the next bonus, or the next promotion will fix everything. But the truth is, happiness doesn't wait for a paycheck. Studies show that once your household income reaches about $75,000 to $100,000, your happiness levels actually plateau. That means chasing more and more money doesn't necessarily bring more joy. It just keeps you running in circles. Money absolutely supports happiness, but only when it's tied to purpose, experiences, and freedom. It's not the number in your account that brings joy, but how you use it to live fully. That's where the real glow up happens. The truth is, more money doesn't equal more peace if you don't learn how to manage it. Stress grows right alongside your income. Mindful money management creates calm, not just a bigger paycheck. One of the biggest traps is lifestyle inflation. Every time we earn more, we find new ways to spend more: bigger houses, fancier cars, endless upgrades. Suddenly, that raise disappears before we even feel it. The solution is simple but powerful. Practice gratitude, spend with intention, and build security before chasing endless upgrades. True wealth isn't just about income, it's about peace, freedom, and a life that truly feels rich. A lot of people believe rich people are only rich because of luck or privilege. But that belief keeps us stuck because it makes wealth feel out of reach. Yes, privilege exists, but many millionaires in the US are actually self-made. They built their wealth through persistence, discipline, and learning, not just chance. If you believe wealth is only for them, you're giving away your power. But if you believe it's possible for you, doors you never saw before start to open. Instead of seeing the rich as villains, start studying their habits, what they do with money, how they invest, and how they think differently. That's where the lessons are. Resentment blocks you from learning, but curiosity opens the path. The moment you shift from envy to curiosity, everything changes. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about mindset and action. And when you choose to learn and apply, you step closer to your own financial glow up. A lot of people in their 30s, 40s, or even 50s think they missed the boat on building wealth. They look back at their 20s and say, if only I started then. But the truth is, the journey can still begin right now. Did you know the average retirement age in the US is 62, with life expectancy around 77 to 80? That means you still have 15 to 20 years to build, grow, and glow up financially. That's a lot of time if you decide to start today. Even starting at 40 or 50, smart decisions and consistent effort can completely change your financial story. Compounding doesn't care about age, it rewards action. The key is to begin, not to wait. The real danger isn't being too late, it's believing you're too late. That thought becomes a trap that keeps you from ever starting. And that's how many people end up financially dependent later in life. But here's the truth, every single day you wait, you lose opportunities. Every single day you take action, you move closer to freedom. Consistency matters more than timing. So instead of saying it's too late, flip the script and say, I'm starting now. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. But the second best time is today. Your wealth glow up can begin the moment you decide. Let's quickly recap the 7 toxic beliefs holding people back and their healthy replacements that unlock your wealth glow up. Remember, your wealth glow up isn't about luck, it's about mindset shifts plus bold action. If this video sparks something for you, hit like, subscribe to the Sophia Cash channel, and share it with someone who needs a mindset shift. Drop in the comments which of these beliefs hit home for you. Let's start the conversation. This is Sophia Cash helping you glow up financially. Remember, you're never too late, to broke, or to stuck. Your glow up starts the moment you change your beliefs. I'll see you in the next one.